Alright, what's going on everyone? Back with another car video. I know it's been a while since we've actually been able to give an update on my VT for those who have been keeping up. Mostly just been cosmetic stuff, but today we're actually going to be doing an installation with a blow-off valve. I've been doing my homework on YouTube and I haven't really seen much, at least with my year model. I know I've seen a lot with ends and newer VTs, but today we're going to be doing one with an HKS, and I know we're going to be doing some cutting, so let's go ahead and get started.
You know my style, son, we in here. Yeah. You know my style, son, we in here. Yeah. You know my style, son, we in here. Yeah. You know my style, son, we in here. Yeah. You know my style.
I'm hitting like David Banner, swinging Thor hammer. She like I'm rich, I jump out the Bama, still bagger, still savage, silk fabrics, young Shaq with the magic, illmatic, peel your cabbage, turn the story real tragic.
I had to make a stop at AutoZone, so the hose obviously couldn't fit, but I just want to be safe and get a little bit extra longer, so this is 2 feet. And then with mine, you don't really need the T-pad or the T-hose, because it really will just have like a loose end, so I just got one of these. It's a different variety of sizes, so the clamps will for sure come in helpful, but as far as these, you're really not going to need these because they're too short. So I just went ahead and I just used the OEM ones. They fit just about right, but I would tighten them just a little extra just to make sure that they're really on there. But yeah, that's really about it. Real quick, got the hose installed for the adapter. Just want to point something out real quick, so we're gonna have to cut this eventually. So right now it's about 4.5 straight to the middle. That's where the blow-off valve is gonna sit. So just keep that in mind when we cut. About 4.5 right there. That's what we're gonna do. So 4.5 that way. About let's say 5.5.
On my M. Night Shyamalan, legend of the octagon, I lock on, now they can't eat like it's Ramadan. Been through the fire with Shaka Khan, I wrote this on a hot block with men down, pinned down and choppers drawn. Dude suck, who what, you do what? How I'm cooking on the go, I can sell it on the food truck. Taking them to class like I'm driving the school bus. You think I brought the crib upstairs the way I'm moving up. Junkie shoot it up, this is brain numbing.
Got a boo-boo in the process. I don't know if you can see it. My boo-boo. Okay, so this took a little longer than I thought, only because I had the wrong tools, but the O-ring was the major problem. So if you decide to get an HKS, get your pair of O-ring pliers. It will save you. That is the biggest problem in this install, but it sounds amazing. Really, really loud, you know, and if for it being a knockoff, I'm impressed. Now, the only problem is to cut the bumper, which we're gonna do now.
Yeah, this one sound crispy.
Nah, right now, I feel that. What's gonna happen after this? Yo, you ready to do something? What? that.
Alright, there it is. It's not the cleanest cut. Clearly messed up a couple of spots here and there, but it's on. HKS blow valve. Alright everyone, so clearly I look a mess every shot I do, but the blow valve is installed. Lots of wrestling to get the damn thing on there. It was mostly the cuts, but it's on there. So tune into the next one. I will let you know what I do next, but have fun. Remember, prayers are pain.
I feel that.